Hi everybody from John's Model Works. What we have here today is a TA-4F Skyhawk in 1/48 scale. It's a trainer version because, as you can see, there are two seats for the cockpit instead of the usual one. The A4F Skyhawk was an early jet-powered carrier-based fighter plane. It was very simple, durable, and relatively inexpensive to operate. This particular one is in Australian Navy colors because, hey, I just felt like being different. Let's just pick her up here and show her around a little bit. So here's the top, side, there's simple Australian Navy rondelles. The underside is fully loaded, as you can see, with a large center fuel tank, 12 bombs, and 8 missiles spread around the 5 different hard points. There is the carrier hook right there, hanging up the tail, hanging up the back. The A4 Skyhawk has some rather tall landing gear because it carries so much junk under the wing. They built a lot of these things. I don't know exactly how many, but it was a very popular aircraft and used by a lot of different air forces. You see there's the refueling probe sticking way out in the front there. So there you have it. It's not the greatest kit. This particular kit is by Fujimi. It's acceptable. Okay? It's acceptable. The fit was pretty good. I had to do a modest amount of filling to make it work. The paint went on fairly well. I used Vallejo airbrush ready paints. They worked well enough. Put a little bit of highlighting on it. It's a relatively clean plane. Not a whole lot of dirt, no battle damage. But it was a fun little build. There you go. There is the TA-4F Skyhawk in 1/48 scale from John's Model Works. Have a nice day.